So I got my coffee on deck. You guys see the smile on my face. I'm freaking pumped because the entire stock market is moving right now, and we have SoFi up over 1.9%, almost 2% in the green right now. So we have to break down the charts, what I'm looking to do, plus more. But first, guys, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe and get up to 15 stocks for Moo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, the clock's ticking. Get on it. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. Get your free money, guys. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So it's currently about 11:30 a.m. on the East Coast, and we have SoFi up almost 2%. We just broke over $12 per share again, and all of the indexes are in the green except for the Russell and the Dow, which they're slightly in the red. Nothing too crazy, and we can cut them some slack considering how much they went up yesterday. I mean, guys, the Russell was up 6% at one point. The Dow was up, I think, almost 4%. So, yeah, it's all right that they're slightly in the red right now. But don't worry, because Triple Q, the NASDAQ 100, has officially hit an all-time high. You guys can see right here if I pull it up. NASDAQ hit an all-time high today, officially at $512 here on Triple Q. It's up 1.2% right now. And the S&P 500 hit yet again another all-time high, up 0.6% right now. We hit $595 on SPY. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. And the VIX is down another 7%, right at 15 points. So you guys can see clearly volatility, fear has come down. We were at 25, I think, at the peak, or 2350 on the VIX right before the election. Now that that event is over, boom, gone just like that. It's done with. Volatility has come down. Uncertainty has come down. And now we're at 15 points, a much healthier spot on the VIX, which is very good news, if you ask me, right, guys? So that's good. And going back to SoFi here, it's currently up now 2%. We're trading at 12.04. And it looks like, man, we are pushing for the highs from yesterday, right? Yesterday, we hit $12.25 in the pre-market. I think, actually, no, we hit $12.30 in the pre-market yesterday. Excuse me, guys. Then we pulled down intraday. We got to about 1160, 1165, and notice where we held. We actually held right above the highs from, what day was that, Tuesday? Yeah, the 5th of November, Tuesday. We hit about 1150, 1155. So we held that spot, old resistance as support. We held it yesterday and today in the pre-market, and we actually started bouncing off of it, right? So SoFi, to me, guys, looks like it wants more upside, right? We broke out to 1230, took out the highs from Tuesday, pulled down, tested old resistance as support, and now we're bouncing off of it, man. I don't know what you guys are seeing, but to me, this looks like it wants to go higher. And, of course, we can see the ascending triangle that we called out. That played out. You can see that here on the 1-hour chart on SoFi. Then again, we pulled down, held the moving averages. Now we're popping. This looks good. It honestly looks really good. And now we're at, yesterday we hit a fresh high on the year. In fact, a fresh almost 3-year high for SoFi. And at this point, we're pushing highs that we haven't been at since February of 2022, which I covered in my video yesterday. And the all-time high for SoFi is $28. So we're kind of still far from that. So we can't really say that's in the crosshairs quite yet. But you could say that if we look here at the max chart, the monthly chart, we can say that $13 is probably the next target. I mean, look, I drew this trend line out. You guys see that trend line I just drew out? If we zoom in a little bit on it, we can see here that in February of 2021, even in January of 2021, we held $13. We pretty much held $13 all throughout 2021. Heading into 2022 momentarily, then we fell under it. So all of 2021, we held $13. Then we broke under it. It became resistance. And here we are. We're at 1208 now, up almost 2.5%, with the next major target being $13. 13 is the next resistance. The next spot I could see this thing going to. Then if that were to break, all right, now we're talking maybe, well, not maybe, for sure. I think momentum will kick in. We'll get more upside. After that, maybe towards, $14. That was the high, it looks like, from November of 2020. That's where the candle peaked out at here on the monthly chart, November 2020. We hit about 14, so that could be the next gap after 13. But yeah, patience, guys. Patience is key here on SoFi stock, and I'm holding on. And like I said in my video yesterday, you can hold on to a stock for a year, 2 years, 3 years, and nothing happens. Then all of a sudden, all of the gains you were looking for come out of nowhere. They come in 2-3 months, which is kind of what we got here on SoFi, right? It's been dead all year, dead stock all year, but now it's pretty much doubled up and some in the span of a couple months, which is, making those returns look pretty juicy, right, guys? So let me know your thoughts in the comments. And check out the email list, by the way. If you guys haven't joined that yet, I'm sending you my top 3 stocks for free every Monday right to your email. Just put your first name and your email address using that link in the description box down below, guys. Make sure to go check it out. But yeah, that's a quick breakdown here on SoFi. And like I said, we're doing this in the midst of a pretty good day for the overall stock market. S&P hit an all-time high. It's up over 0.5% right now. We hit 595, which is great, and it doesn't look like it wants to let up at all as of now when I'm making this video. We're up. We've been uptrending all day. It looks really good. Same with Triple Q. If I pull it up, we can see we're up 1.3% now. All-time highs we're pushing. And the Russell, which crushed it yesterday, even though it's down a little bit right now, we actually did break over 2,400 points about an hour ago, which is great. And clearly, the ascending triangle is playing out, and it looks like we're getting closer and closer to all-time highs, which are at 2,458 here on the Russell. Guys, if I had to guess, we hit that before the end of the year. If I had to guess, the Russell will hit all-time highs before the end of the year, and the Dow Jones just hit an all-time high at 43,800. I think that might have been earlier. Yeah, we actually hit an all-time high today, even though it's slightly down right now in real time. So, yeah, man, talk about a wild couple of days for the stock market, and it's about to get crazier. I'm pretty sure 2 p.m. today, we have Powell. We're going to get some more insights there about the economy, interest rates, all that good stuff. So we'll talk more about that in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, guys. And, yeah, with that being said, make sure to, again, subscribe, hit the like button. And before you click off this video, guys, don't forget to get your free stocks. I'm telling you, this is the best deal right now by far. Use that link down below, or go to stocksurfest.com/Mumu. Fund your account at least $100. You get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, this deal, I'm telling you, is a no-brainer. So check the link out down below. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.